One of the primary goals of my role is to enhance user and admin productivity, so I need to do a lot of market research into tools, technology processes, and develop a robust framework. Traditionally, crafting a business case requires a time-consuming process of collecting and analyzing research papers and consolidating and evaluating the impact. Microsoft 365 Copilot transforms this process by efficiently gathering all the essential resources and generating an initial draft by structuring the document and incorporating key data on productivity improvements from relevant articles. This enables me to quickly generate a detailed document which I can then adjust and enhance. By leveraging Copilot, I not only save time, but I'm able to produce a quality document leading to more compelling and effective business cases. That's awesome.